Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Radio Nasha.
Do a little workout move or flex your muscles, and I'm going to sing it for you. You know why? You'll know why.
Okay.
Okay.
रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने पूछूं तो मैं जरा अरे लड़की है या
Just flex a little. I want to say this to you.
खुशबू है या नशा पास वो आए कि मैं देखूं जरा रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने
Welcome to another episode of Fit Star with me, Ada. And yes, I have with me someone that you see all smiling. I don't know if you can focus on her smile or her muscles more because I'm kind of confused. But hi, Instagram पर इनको हम Fit Mom Calisthenics के नाम से जानते हैं. इनका नाम है Paul Montero. And yes, she can smile. It's not that, if you see her, she always is ready to punch you. Her smile packs a punch too. Hi and welcome to Fit Star, Paul. कैसी हो?
हाय, मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो अदा? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. तो ये of course देखो ऐसा है कि हम जितनी बात करें उतना कम लगता है, especially with people who are so inspiring on the channel. But this is going to be a very quick delving into your life, and so that people know a little more about you, everybody who admire you and are inspired by you, including me. सबसे पहले बताएं आप कैसे हैं, घर पे सब कैसे हैं? और घर पे
मैं ठीक हूँ, घर पे सब बढ़िया है. I mean, I've got a daughter and my husband, so obviously they're all good by God's grace. सब ठीक है, and me absolutely fit and fine.
Fit and fine. You're fit and you're fine.
As always.
I mean, when did you fall in love with muscles? I really want to know. That's my first question to you. When did you know? God, this is what I want to do. कब पता चला?
Well, I fell in love with muscles. I wouldn't term it that way. So I fell in love with calisthenics at in 2018, obviously when I joined Elysium, and it was since then it's always kept me what I am, and obviously because I started loving calisthenics, it gave me muscles which I love even more now. तो calisthenics के वजह से मुझे muscles से प्यार हो गया है.
And calisthenics अगर आप किसी को समझाना चाहो layman language में, वो क्या है exactly? Because there's so many forms of fitness, and then people think, oh my God, calisthenics is something which has a lot to do, which it is with your body weight and strength, but फिर उनको लगता है it's unachievable. तो अगर आपको किसी को explain करना हो what is calisthenics, तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
Calisthenics is a very बहुत ही ज्यादा बेसिक बॉडी वर्कआउट्स भी कर सकते हो आप कैलिस्थेनिक्स में, जैसे स्क्वाट्स हुए, पुशअप्स हुए, डिप्स हुए और बर्पीज हो गए. So you can do all of these things. So I know that मुझे खुद पता है कि people are there who actually think that nowadays calisthenics is all about freestyle. But ऐसा नहीं है. Calisthenics में freestyle के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है. So I know girls who message me, oh I cannot do that. मुझे ये नहीं करना. ये तो बहुत it's too scary. It's too this. So ऐसा नहीं होता कि सिर्फ freestyle है. There is body weight training where you can do pull-ups and push-ups. डिप्स होते हैं, प्लैंक्स होते हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें होते हैं. यार कभी आओ एलिजियम पार्क में, सब दिखा देंगे हम.
क्या सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है in handling a house and handling the weights? How do you do it?
मुझे तो सेम ही लगता है, दोनों टफ है. I'm not going to term that because I genuinely feel it's not easy to be a mom, obviously. So anybody who says that, please don't come to me because it's not easy to be a mom, but it's fun. Obviously, it's like a multitasking, and it has its own good things. Like every time I enter the house, I have my daughter tell me, "Hey, mama, what's up? You're back," and all those things. So it gives you that motivation to come home, obviously. And I think both are challenging in its own ways. But I think what's important is you try to maintain the balance. आप एक balance रखो. दोनों चीजों में कंसिस्टेंट रहो कि टाइम घर पे भी रहो एंड गिव टाइम टू योर वर्कआउट्स इक्वली. आई मीन बिकॉज आई नो पीपल कि जब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती है या कुछ हो जाता है, ऑब्वियसली आई एम 33 बट आई नो पीपल हु आर लाइक राइट नाउ, आई नो पीपल who work and do their workouts as well. So that also is very commendable, even for those people for that matter. So I think the real I wouldn't really take this like a challenge. I would say that it's important to know कि आप कैसे balance करते हो दोनों चीजों को.
Have you always been a fitness freak? या अभी, after the baby, या क्या scene? कैसे?
So no, I wouldn't call myself a fitness freak. Definitely, always, as always. But yeah, in school obviously हम यार school में तो पता है कैसे होता है कि यार run कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. But then obviously life changes. You have other things to do, and obviously उस time पे उतना वो fitness की वो पागलपंती जो मुझे लोग बोलते हैं कि अब है और मुझे चाहिए कि वो हमेशा रहे. So that definitely wasn't there. But that kind of came up when after Hazel was born, and I just started my journey on the verge of just losing my pregnancy fat. That's about it. But I didn't know that it's going to take such big it's going to be such a big scale for me, where I'll be doing so much more than what I actually thought I would just be doing.
Super. अगर आप लोगों को कहना चाहेंगी to someone who's fighting hard to fight a lot of unhealthy eating, or for that matter wrong eating, तो आप उन्हें क्या tips देना चाहेंगी? How do you keep yourself in check?
With good workouts, you also need to have a good diet. नहीं तो वो workout, it's as good as waste. It doesn't make, because in the end you are putting the efforts. If you're putting the efforts, make sure that you give that your 100%. कि अगर आप सिर्फ workout कर रहे हो और आपकी diet अगर clean नहीं है तो आप changes नहीं देखोगे. फिर आप we end up blaming our workouts, which I did. Like I was feel like, yaar, why is this tummy not going in? Why is the tummy? I only wanted to get rid of that tummy which I had got after my pregnancy, and I realized it's not going because of. Then when I joined calisthenics in 2018, I realized a lot of things, and then I studied things as well, and obviously to become a coach myself, I wanted to study. I wanted to understand more about fitness. And then I realized that it's all here. If you want something very bad, you are going to work towards it even more bad. So I think for all the people who are right now into the junk phase, take your time. There's no restriction that you have to stop everything completely. Go easy, go slow, but make sure that you keep your 90% diet clean. You can have your cheat days, but you still need to be within your proportion. You make sure that you don't overeat or tend to overeat.
Wow. And on that note, tell me that if you could, then what would you binge on? What's your favorite thing to binge on? Miss करती हैं after being healthy by chance अगर miss करती है तो क्या? What's your
देखो, so my poison is only one thing. It is sweets for sure, and people who know me, they know it. I've finished an entire cake by myself. I finished a 1 kg cake. I finished a 500 grams cake all by myself without sharing with my husband. So if you guys love me, you can always send me a vegan Lotus Biscoff, and you can be absolutely sure I won't share it with anyone. So yeah,
how often do you do that? When is the last time you had?
Okay, that is a long time now. That was a long time. That's been a while. I mean, when I think I had done the 600 burpees, so I wanted to treat myself, reward myself. कि मैंने 600 burpees मारे थे 1 घंटा 15 मिनट.
मुझे बहुत आ गया वो सुन के, like what? 600 burpees, it's all over her, as you can see. I mean, it's just her, but she's taken up more than half the screen with her muscles, which is crazy. Pearl, you're so inspiring. How many people send you all these, oh my God, you're so inspiring messages? कैसे मतलब तुम्हें वो पढ़ के भी motivation मिलता होगा नहीं?
Yes, absolutely. I actually feel very overwhelmed, and obviously I do feel very humble because I want to inspire people. That's the goal. I want to let women, especially women for that matter. So if we have women hearing me, please understand that we are not just to give. We're not just here to give birth. We're not here just to take care of others. We are here to even take care of ourselves, and we should. I think we should. Because and it's very good that I see that's already happening. I'm already seeing people take the initiative, the women taking the initiative to having babies and still managing to do some activity. So I would at least the effort in the same thing which we spoke about, the junk part. This two is very connected. You just need to make sure you're putting those efforts. I mean, efforts नहीं हो रहा है वो अलग बात है, but अगर आप वो effort डालोगे slow
Right.
and steady, कभी ना तो कभी वो होगा ही होगा.
Fabulous. And you are a coach. What are you a coach of exactly?
Yeah, it's the same thing. I train for HIT and body weight training. So right now I'm going. I have online sessions and one person session which is home. Yeah. So
Fabulous. घर पे husband को कभी complex आया है because of the lady?
no, not at all, not at all. I was waiting for this question because I would love to speak about him. In very short, he's a man of very few words. He doesn't talk like me. I talk a lot. Sometimes people might have to tell me, okay, stop.
Yeah,
No,
same thing.
so genuinely, never any kind of complex. In fact, the reason I am what I am today is because of him. If it was not for him, I wouldn't be where I am because, having a baby and at the age of 2-year-old, when the baby is 2-year-old, you're going out of the house, you're working on yourself, you're going to, I used to go to the park so often. I used to be home very late. So yeah, definitely no complex at all. Very, very, very supportive and absolutely, a blessing in my life from the time he's there. Yeah.
Support बनना बहुत जरूरी है life में. I think that's what is actually the more difficult part.
Yes, I think that what you just spoke about is very important. That कोई किसी का भी support होना, it's very important when you want to do something. Like when you want to, even in terms of anything, I feel like, today I have him and I feel that I can go out of the house without any stress. Like I don't have to think about my daughter, oh, what will happen to her, who will take care of her, because I know in the back of my head, I can focus on my workouts because he's here taking care of her and very good care.
Yeah, so that's fabulous. So if you love someone, let them grow and let them give them
Exactly.
space. I think that's more important.
Exactly.
Fabulous.
important.
And towards the end, I'd like to have a sort of a rapid fire with you to know
Sure.
Pearl Montero a little better. So Pearl, of course, अभी आपने तो vegan बोल दिया, तो obviously मतलब है नहीं, but तुम हमेशा से vegan तो नहीं थी ना?
Yeah, but I would obviously answer. Yeah, हमेशा से तो नहीं थी.
हमेशा
I
नहीं थी,
just
but
turned
हाँ,
vegan.
okay, नहीं क्योंकि हो सकता है ऐसे कुछ options हो. But anyway, अच्छा Pearl, mountain या beaches क्या चुनेगी?
Beaches.
Nice. Okay, आप
I'm a
weight
beach
चुनेंगी
person.
या body weight?
Sorry, I didn't get this question.
Weights, like अलग से weights or body weight?
Oh, I think then body weights. Yeah.
Skipping or burpees?
ये लो कैसे सवाल पूछ लिया. Burpees.
Okay, push-ups या burpees?
Push-ups. Push-up with burpees.
ये लो, ये कैसा सवाल, ये कैसा जवाब होगा? Okay, क्योंकि ये ऑप्शन में था तो मैं पूछ ही लेती हूँ. But which one would you choose? Would it be बड़ा पाव or जलेबी?
I think I prefer vada pav definitely. I'm not a fan of jalebi, but yeah, I used to love vada pav a lot. I used to eat definitely.
क्या बात है? आप backbencher रही हैं कि frontbencher रही हैं when you were in school and college?
Front bencher with an attitude of a backbencher.
Okay, which do you choose more, maths or science? Or none of the
None.
above? I knew that option is coming. Okay, आप गाने तो सुनती होंगी, like on Radio Nasha we play songs of all generations. So if you work out on a song, आप कोई भी अपना बोलें, so we'll also play that for you on radio. It could be a 90s song, it could be 80s song, it could be a disco song, it could be anything. What comes to your mind?
Okay. Currently, I have a lot of favorites that I listen to. Ruk ja, oh dil diwan. Yes. And people who know me, I'm not even kidding, Ada. People who know me, they know that I listen to Bollywood songs and do my workouts. So I'm not even kidding. I have to I do that. I'm still a big time Bollywood fan. and I do listen to a lot of. I do listen to Bollywood, and sometimes I'm so loud that people look at me and they just start laughing because they realize, oh my god, she's actually listening to this song and she's actually doing her workout with this song.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love Bollywood, and I'm absolutely not afraid to listen to it at any time, anywhere.
I'm going to play the song, just like maybe like do a little workout move or flex your muscles, and I'm going to sing it for you. You know why? You'll know why.
Okay.
Okay.
रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने पूछूं तो मैं जरा अरे लड़की है या
Just flex a little. I want to say this to you.
खुशबू है या नशा पास वो आए कि मैं देखूं जरा रुक जा ओ दिल दीवाने
This song is dedicated from everybody to you and your amazing mother, mom, Pearl Montero. You're fabulous, and we have to do this at length sometime. But Fitstar पर feature होने के लिए thank you so much. I think
Thank you for having me. Yeah, that's very kind of you, Ada.
thank you for being here. And I know हमारा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था, but finally we did it, and I hope you had fun too. Yeah.
Absolutely. I definitely had fun talking to you, and like I said, you sound really nice. So thank you, and I hope I didn't sound very formal today. For sure, I hope. see, it's because I saw you, right? So now because we're there personally, so I got so comfortable with you.
Yeah, you got that.
Initially, I am this kind of. Yeah, because I like I said, the fact that you've called me here, it's a very big thing for me. So thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Thank you for being a part of it, and I'll see you soon. See you working out sometime. Let's work out together.
Yeah, soon.
Wait, let me try whatever I have. इसमें तो और भी नहीं दिखता मतलब. She whatever.
अदा मैं लेके आऊँ स्क्रीन से बाहर आपके लिए.
ले आओ. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, Baba.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care. God bless you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Radio Nasha